Hey my chickadees, welcome back to the Back 40. It's Juju, and we're back again with day number 22, bookshelf. Okay, I was like, bookshelf, Lord have mercy, what am I going to do for bookshelf? I thought, well, there's books on the bookshelf, there's books ends and pictures, and I said bookshelves and libraries, and my brain was just going on, and I thought, well, I can make a little bookshelf, and I thought, Lord have mercy, it's a chunky monkey already, I can't, put anything bulkier in it, and I just couldn't think. So I thought, okay, I know what I'll do. So this is what I did. I've got there's the bookshelf here with all our books on it, nice comfy chair to do our reading. And you find music notes and music books on your bookshelf, and there's a book page down here. And then, of course, you like to stack your books up so you can read them here. And then I put some mixed media behind it for bordering, and some little, oh Lord, what is that called? Stickles. And then on the side over here, I put my little puffy paint stuff on there. There's some more stickle stuff on there. And my favorite film also is a book, also is a movie, is My Fair Lady. So I put all of them on here because when you think of the books and stuff, you got to think about them. So there it is. All right. I hope y'all having fun like I am. I'll see you on the next go round. Bye.